The stock is falling in after-hours trading even after the results look like they beat analyst estimates. What do you think is going on?
I think the stock's hit all-time high. I think the numbers, almost all of them were higher than what people were expecting. I was most encouraged by Azure growth. Their cloud platform is actually increased more than last quarter. Their server product growth was also high double digits. So, overall, top line beat, bottom line beat, cloud numbers good. I think the expectations may be a little higher, but I don't see any big holes here.
And I know the cloud gets a lot of attention because it's the future, but the other lines look good too. Personal computing, $12.17 billion versus estimates $11.98. Productivity and business revenue, $8.95 billion versus $8.86 billion estimates. They look like they're firing solidly.
The more interesting thing would be on the call when we listen and about the chip failure and what that can do to drive more Windows sale in the second half. That's going to be far more interesting in my view, because over 50% of business computers still run pre-Windows 10, and a lot of them would be slowing down because of the Intel chip issue.
Anurag, I want to talk to you about the estimated $128 billion of cash that Microsoft has either overseas or in short-term investments at this stage. I don't see any details on quite what they're going to do with that, when or where they're going to repatriate that foreign income. What do you expect in terms of capital expenditure for these guys? And my second question was, I've seen quotes suggesting that Azure can rival Amazon's cloud offerings in terms of sheer size and revenue generation. Do you buy that call here?
See, Microsoft has become a de facto number 2 at this point. Anybody who does not want to use Amazon for whatever reason, whether you're a retailer or don't want to bet your entire house on Amazon, you will go to somebody else. And that vendor right now is Microsoft. So it's possible they have a lot of cash. They could expand their cloud footprint far more than what they have right now to close the gap between Amazon.